Brittany with WTI, and my laundry room needed shelves.
And this is the laundry room shelf set by DAOUTIME. Probably one of the most easiest things I've ever put together. It was so straightforward, and everything was doubled, giving you as much storage space as you could possibly need, with shelves and baskets and hooks. We just put together our laundry room, and we are in desperate need of storage and shelving. There is space for everything that you need. I got my soaps, my deep clean spray, any tools to clean the washer machine. Because I didn't put the poles in there, these work perfectly as hooks for my brushes and items to clean the dryer. We got my essential oils and the dryer balls. As you can see, our laundry room is so small, so having something with easy access that I can just grab, use, and put back is so important when I'm cleaning the collars for my husband's shirts. Having that deep clean spray, that brush, all within reach allows me to prepare everything before it goes in the wash. And the hooks are convenient for me to hang up the laundry bag, anything that I need. We have a lot of wool socks and delicates, so having those mesh bags easily accessible to just grab, stick everything in, put it in the dryer. This really has made our well-needed laundry room be so much more accessible with the things that we need. I'm absolutely so happy with the shelf basket hook set.
They fit so nicely in this small place and look beautiful. And that's my point of view.